Hello everyone, let's make a no-bake strawberry cheesecake. For this recipe, you'll need these ingredients. First, let's prepare the biscuit base. Crush the biscuits into fine crumbs. Now, add the melted butter and mix until it looks like wet sand. I'm using a heart-shaped pan for this, but you can use any shape you like. Now, transfer the mixture into your cake pan. Press it down firmly using the back of a spoon or a glass. Make sure it's even and compact. Now, refrigerate this for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, let's make the creamy filling. In a large bowl, add the softened cream cheese. Now, you can beat it. In the next step, add powdered sugar to it. Now, add vanilla extract and mix again. Beat until smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream until sniff peaks form. Here you go. Now gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Be gentle so it stays light and fluffy. Pour the cream cheese filling over the base and smooth the top evenly. Refrigerate this for at least 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Once the cheesecake is fully set, let's prepare the strawberry topping. In a saucepan, add chopped strawberries and add water to it. Now you can add sugar. Cook well until it releases their juices. Spread the topping evenly on the top. You can decorate it with fresh strawberry slices. Refrigerate until ready to use. This is how you make a beautiful and super creamy no-bake strawberry cheesecake. And the best part is, no oven needed. It's easy, perfect for parties, special occasions, or when you're just craving something sweet and delicious.